Good evening, everyone. Okay, so I'm sorry. Mahaba yung bakasyon ko nga, nung siguro almost 1 month hindi ako nakakapag-lecture. Okay, so good evening sa lahat. Okay, so meron kayong questions, clarification, before we start our discussion, just comment lang sa ilagay lang sa comment section. Okay. Ah, okay. So meron kayong tanong, clarification, just ilagay nyo lang sa comment section. Okay, magdi-discuss ko ng kahit ano lang, medyo kaunti lang. Okay, and tips during the board examination kasi malapit na yung exam. Okay, siguro kung hindi lang talaga ako nag-detect ng masters, at kaya naman siguro mag-lecture ng free live discussion kaso lang we have to study para umangat rin yung yung classification natin sa uli. Pero anyways, meron kayong tanong, clarification before we start? Okay? Wala na ba kayong tanong, clarification? Wala ba? Okay, sige. Shout out pala sa 31 viewers. Okay. So, again, good evening. Kilala niyo naman ako siguro Okay. Good evening. I'm Teacher JL. Okay. I'm a licensed professional teacher. Hindi ko nasasabihin nandiyan na sa board. Okay. Anong major pag IT yung graduate? Depende. Okay. Meron nga yung IT na major, pupunta sa Soksai. Okay. Sa social science. Meron namang IT sa pumupunta sa TLE, BSED TLE. Pero to have a better clarification, just ask for PRC. Okay? Hindi ko kasi alam yung filing ngayon, different yung filing. Unlike nung panahon namin is yung first TOS ng new TOS na March 2023, uh, general lahat ng TLE. Wala kang classification. Unlike ngayon, ibig sabihin yan, BTVT Ed, doon ka sa BTVT Ed na program magti-take ng LET. Kung TLE ka, BTL Ed, AFA, ICT, BTL Ed program ka. So, yung aralin nyo lang lahat, tandaan nyo, is yung mga basic concept during the LET. Okay? So, wag kayong masyadong diinan yung mga subject. Okay, bonus lang kapag lumabas yan, pero dapat paano mag-take ng TM. Okay, you have first the what we call the NC2 qualification. Kahit anong NC2 qualification, and then yung NC2 mo na yan, halimbawa ako is ginamit ko na NC2 is electrical installation and maintenance NC2. And yung yung ginamit ko sa TM, meron pa akong libro dito, just for example. So, ito. Sorry. Hello. Shout out sa 40 viewers. Okay, ito. So gagawa kayo ng libro. Okay, ikas ko muna yung pangit ko sa picture diyan eh. So gagawa kayo ng ganito, okay? So depende sa qualification nyo, it's either electrical, automotive, kung ano naman yung NC2, but basta at least NC2. And then after diyan, okay, hihintay ka sa TESDA kung may kailan yung program ng tinatawag na trainer's methodology. Okay? After mo pumasa ng TM, magpa-national TB trainer ka. I'm also a national TB trainer din sa iba't ibang NC. Okay? Pag national TB trainer mo, apply ka ng assessor. So, dun yung will be the last, yung assessor or AM1. Okay? So, plano ko sana mag-take ng assessor or AM1 kaso lang sumasabay yun sa master's degree ko eh. So, hindi ko kaya. Pinabayaan ko na yung pagle-lecture ko sa LET. Priority. Yung CBLM is competency-based learning materials. Ibig sabihin yan, ito yung gagawin nyo. Okay? Ito yung gagawin yung CBLM. Okay? Competency-based learning materials. Okay. So, question, clarification. So, wag kayong kabahan sa LET. I was also the one na natakot rin. Pero during the exam, parang wala ko na naramdaman na natakot. Parang ordinary day lang. Okay, yung pag-take ko ng LET. Hindi naman sa nagyayabang, pero uh, ako nga yung almost 3 works pinagsabay ko. Nag-work sa mga plants, lecturer, and sidelines just to provide myself. Hindi kasi mayaman eh. Hindi kami kasi mayaman. And also, uh, luckily, almost 3 months as a local school board, naging teacher 1. Okay, hopefully magi ako yung yung SDS. Okay, yung maging schools division. Pero joke lang 'yan. Okay. So, anything question, clarification before we start the discussion? Okay, walang mahirap class pag gusto mo talaga yung yung gagawin mo doon. Ako kasi one thing, tinapos ko yung lahat ng mga schooling sa TESDA just to para kasi mahirap kasi kapag nandoon ka na sa may DepEd, mahirap na kasi mag-schooling. It's because meron ka pang gagawin, parang conflict sa schedule ng mga bata mo. So that is the reason why dapat habang may time pa, mag-aral ka ng mga TM, NC, uh, ano pa yung mga DOLE program, Safety Officer 1, Safety Officer 2, parang ganon. Pero lalaban sa future, sir. Okay, pag mag-SDS ka po, apply ako sa division. Okay, papasayin mo muna yung board because board exam was a very difficult first step. First step kasi yung board exam, papasa mo yung board exam muna. Okay, so hirap kapag mahirap, sir, tapos walang magulang sumusuporta during the review. Ako sir, to be honest, yung father ko is wala kasing work si father, si mother I was a sastre. Pero na-provide naman sir kahit mahirap sir. Basta yung fighting spirit importante kasi yun sa board exam eh. Alos makatulog ako ng mga 7, nagbabasa ng libro during the review. Meron pa akong binabasa doon sumasakay ng jeep, binabasa ko lahat ng mga libro. Ito pa yung libro ko na example Wait lang. Mga example ng libro. Asa na ba yung mga reviewer ko dito? Wait lang. Hindi ko kasi makita eh. Puno ng rationalization to. Wait lang. Ito kasi class hindi naman perfect yung pag-rationalize ko dito. Pero ito, sandamakmak, puro, pa lang, 1/3 pa lang ng TLE ito. So, ito kasi yung ito. Hindi na ako nagpapa-group sa kasi yung last 30 group ko, last na yun. Okay? So, may page sana ako, pero I don't, it will be the last. Okay? And then this will be my last season na sa board exam. And magpo-focus na ako sa teaching career ko sa DepEd. Okay? So, meron kayong questions, clarifications? Wala ba? Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Teacher JL. Okay, I'm a licensed professional teacher. I'm also a national lecturer din sa licensure examination for professional licensure examination for professional teacher. Okay, I'm also an SPLA lecturer din. So, without so much ado, mag-start na tayo ng discussion. Okay. So, sabi ni Jansina, never give up on your dreams, okay? So, do whatever it takes. Okay? Doon na sa pangarap niya maging licensed professional teacher. Okay. So, karugtong ito ng discussion nung nakaraan kasi yung nakaraan ko is now run out. Okay? If you are a licensed technician, how are you going to state the formula for the 3 equation of the Ohm's law? Ngayon, pag tinanong sa board exam, ang tanong dyan sa Ohm's law is, voltage is directly proportional sa tinatawag na current and resistance but inversely proportional siya sa tinatawag na current and resistance. Okay, kapag tumaas yung current, bababa naman yung voltage. Okay? So, ganun yung tanungan sa LET. Okay? Kung tataas yung both current and resistance, tataas yung voltage. Kapag bababa naman yung voltage, bababa yung tinatawag na current and resistance. So, yung E na yan, mahirap kasi magturo ka. Wala kasing letter E eh. Okay? Okay? So sa tingin nyo, paano yung formula? Bakit E yung voltage? Okay, ito yung formula. Bakit E yung voltage? Because electromotive force, it pushes electrons to move. Bakit I naman yung current? Because I intensity or pressure, lakas. And then resistance naman yung naglilimit, nag-opposition or naglilimit sa current. So meaning to say, E IR. So ngayon, paano yung formula? May review. Shout out sa sa 48 viewers natin. Okay? You can see pen for sir sa PPT. Pero naka-free yung StreamYard ko. Hindi ako marunong. Pwede ba? Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Naka-cancel layout. Pero sige lang. Wala kasi ako. Kung meron kayong free na na StreamYard or Zoom or Google, just to invite me kahit saan ka pang lugar. Okay, magdi-discuss tayo. Okay? So, almost 1 week. Hindi ko makatulog ng maayos kasi yung discussion namin sa masters is hanggang 6:30 to 9, Monday to Sunday, parang ganun. 6:30 to 9, 6:30 to 10, 6:30 to 8. Wala na akong time sa self ko. Okay, letter B, Sir John Wendell, B. Okay na po yan. Okay. So, B, good evening, John Vincent. Good evening. So, bakit? Paos pa yung boses ko. Bingo talaga. Okay. B. Okay. So, E equals to I times R. Okay. And I equals to E divided by R. And R equals to E divided by I. So, meaning to say, yung formula niyan is yung E sa ibabaw, I and R. Mahirap kasi explain, wala kasi akong pen eh. Kung merong pen, madali lang yan. Okay? So, kapag hanapin mo yung voltage, takpan mo yung letter E. Okay? Yung letter E na yan, that is the represents the voltage. I, current, R, resistance. So, clear ba? Meron kayong questions, clarifications? Okay? Questions, clarifications? Wala ba? Letter B. Tama ba yung letter B? Very good. Okay? So, ganun yung mga formula, magic triangle. Okay? So, meron sana akong private group, kaso lang, I don't, Sir Loli Yunson, good evening. Sir Wendell, Magic Triangle. Magic Triangle ba yung tawag sa inyo dyan? I'm an electrical major din, sorry. Sana hindi nakakalam, I'm a major of BTVT Ed, major in electrical technology. Okay. What is an electrical where the termination of wires from the different electrical components are being made of connected? What do you think? Wait lang. Inom muna ako ng tubig Hindi pa ako nakapaghapunan eh. Inom lang muna ako ng tubig. Do we do? BB? Clear ba yung boses ko? Sino nagtuturo sa DepEd dito? Ano ba yung trend sa mahirap magturo, no? Especially yung mga students mo is palaging absent, walang quizzes, walang ganun. Parang yung high blood ko is activate na sa kaka-stress ng mga students. Pero anyways, just focus the question, okay? What is an electrical material that the termination of wires can be different? Okay, so wait lang. Ano sa tingin nyo? What is the correct answer sa ganitong question? Okay. What is the correct answer for the following question? Malapit na ba ang exam nyo? Kailan ba yung exam nyo sa boards? Okay. Kailan ba yung exam? Okay. Kailan ba yung exam nyo? Okay. Kailan ba yung exam? Okay. So ngayon, meron tayong tinatawag na switch. Yung switch na yan, eliminate. Okay. Before kayo mag-answer sa board exam, Ashley Purungan, letter B. Okay. Before kayo mag-answer na exam, ito yung pinaka-the best na technique na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Eliminate mo muna yung maling sagot. Okay? So, switch is a device, okay, that pushes, okay, that controls on and off. Mali na. Okay, kasi yung termination of wire, saan nilalagay yun? Utility box is breaker ang nilalagay. Utility box is ang nilalagay dyan is raceway. Ang panel board, circuit breaker. Ang junction box is yung termination of wires. Pag tinanong sa boards, ito naman tinanong sa boards. what is the most commonly used termination of wires or in a junction box? Ang sagot mo doon is rat tail. Kung walang rat tail, pigtail. Okay? Klaro ba? Klaro. Klaro. Clear. Wala ba kayong tanong? Wala ba kayong clarification? Okay? Sige. Junction box. Okay. So panel boards, breaker, okay, junction box, wires, utility box, switches. Utility box plus switches and outlets. Sorry. Just to clarification. Okay? And switches naman is for controlling on and off. Okay. So ngayon, tandaan niyo 'yon, okay? So what is the commonly used electrical wiring conductor and the cheapest among electrical conductors? Ang sagot ko dito sa PPT, mali. Pero just to explain kung ano yung tamang sagot dito. Ma'am Charlene B, 21 na. Okay, so 21. Okay, so gusto ko pa sanang magpasali ng membership kaso lang naawa na ako kasi hindi kasi magko-conflict pa rin yung schedule ko sa masters and maraming schedules. Malaking tulong din ang vids mo, sir, kasi mostly nalabas siya dati sa exam. I think, Sir Lolly, malaking tulong din yun yung mga vids mo, sir, kasi nalabas siya dati sa exam. Okay. I think si Sir Lolly is board passer na. Ken Vilayo, letter A. Okay. Okay. Maraming nanonood, no? Maraming nanonood. I'm not a perfect person. At ako naman is, kung sa Iloilo kayo dito, if invite na ako as a lecturer, I do it for free. Okay, no problem naman no, yes sir, SPLE. Okay, congratulations, Sir Loli Yonson, licensed professional teacher na. Okay. Then sandali lang. Okay. So, meron din akong isang student, almost 2 years, SPLE. I think si Ma'am Lai na yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung major niya. Home economics. Okay. Random subjects. Roan. So, good evening. Okay. Sino taga Iloilo dito? Kasi gusto ko sana mag-lecture kahit 1 day lang. Okay. Pero, hindi niya ako ina-invite eh. Okay, so cheapest among conductors. By the way, most commonly used is the copper wire. Okay, in the home. Okay. Ang tanong ko dito, diniscuss ko ito ng nakaraan. Ang tanong ko dito is, paano po na yung aluminum wire is maganda yung in service, pero bakit aluminum wire yung ginagamit sa mga high distribution lines? Okay, ibig sabihin ng high distribution line is na 69 kilovolt. Okay, so 69 kilovolt na yan. Okay, bakit hindi copper yung ginagamit dito? Why? Bakit hindi copper? Tanong yan. Okay, baka itanong yan sa boards ulit ha. Okay, bakit hindi copper yung ginagamit sa high transmission lines? Ano yung pong reason? Ano po yung reason? Number one, kapag copper yung ginamit mo, lalaylay yan. Okay, mabigat yung copper. Aluminum is magaan. So, imbes na yung wire and also cost pa rin. Mahal pa rin yung cost class. Okay? So, if we are using sa high distribution lines na wire, so mahal yung cost ng consumption. Okay? So kung mahal yung cost of consumption, syempre i-charge yan sa mga tao. So that is why home economics sa susunod pa siguro sa private lecture ko na. Okay? So that is why yung cheapest conductor is the aluminum wire. Pero yung bus bar is a conductor. Okay? So silver wire is pag tinanong sa board class, pag tinanong sa boards. Okay. Take note ha. Pag tinanong sa boards, ito. Highest conductibility level or good conductor, best conductor, silver. Bakit ilan yung valence electron ng silver? 2. Okay? Yung valence electron niyan, kapag higher yung number niya, is maganda yung conductability level niya. Okay? So, the higher the valence electron, okay, mas maganda yung yung kaniyang yung conductability level. So, huwag kayong sumagot ng gold kasi gold is very wrong. Okay? Wrong. Okay? So, tandaan nyo bakit aluminum wire yung ginagamit sa high distribution lines sa mga 69 kilovolt is because yung aluminum wire is mas magaan, mas cheaper, and also uh, mas tatagal. Okay? Mas tatagal sa sa high distribution lines. Okay. Okay. So, how is the offset done in an electrical metallic tubing? Okay? Mali yung sa slide ko doon. Okay? Pero tandaan nyo yung isagot nyo doon is mas cheaper yung tinatawag na aluminum. Okay? So, how is the offset done in an electrical metallic tubing? Okay, Sir Rico, ito yung licensed professional teacher na. Sir Melvin, ICT, I think ICT na-discuss ko yun sa private group ko, sa mga private ko. Sir Joshua, good evening. Ma'am Rosebel, Tom Economics po. Electrical po muna yung discuss ko ngayong gabi. Okay, so, okay. Nung nakaraan kasi, I was surprised na maraming students din na sa Cebu, Mindanao, ano po yung ibang schools na nagme-message o nagre-reach out sa akin. Pero, class, I think kahit hindi na kayo kahit just simple message na lang na pumasa kayo sa board exam, I am really happy na. Okay? How's an offset bend done in an electrical metallic tubing? Offset. Okay, redirecting, passing an obstacle, racing at higher level, or cutting in a short length. Automatic yung elimination technique, mali na yung cutting in a shorter length. Wala yan. Okay. Racing to its either higher or lower level. Yung offset is parang ganito. Halimbawa, ito yung flat surface, ganito yung itsura ng surface. Halimbawa, ito yung yung utility, parang ito yung flat surface, parang ganito yung itsura nyo. Iba yung elbow, class. Yung elbow is 90 degrees. Automatic, mali na yon. Okay? Mali na yung A and D. So, between B and C, ano yung tamang sagot? Yung passing an obstacle is an obstacle. Sige, ako na lang sasagot kasi di naman kayo sasagot. Okay, yung obstacle, I don't think, or letter C, what do you think? Raising its higher level to a lower level? Okay? Anong sagot dito? Offset bending is a technique. Continue it to change the steel and continue in the same direction. Okay? This typically is necessary to conduit must align to the electrical box. It is not the same height. So pass over and under of the obstacles such as conduits and the pipes building features. So meaning to say, ang tama sagot dito is B. Okay? So, passing an obstacle. Okay? So, racing its higher or lower level, hindi kasi na-specify kung anong lower level, pero yung tinatawag na offset is parang ni-raise mo ng konti. Ganito. Okay? Pero ang tama sagot is letter B. Okay? Redirect. Sorry, mali. Sorry. The answer is racing its either or higher, lower, or level. Okay? So, ito. Pinalift mo ng ganito. Sorry, mali pala yung pagbasa ko dito. Kasi yung redirecting 90 degrees is an elbow. Sorry, tao lang nagkakamali rin. Yung 90 degrees is a elbow. Pag tinanong sa board exam, 90 degrees, elbow, 45 degrees, right angle. Passing an obstacle, halimbawa, ito. Ito yung tubo. Ito yung obstacle. And tubo mo is paganituhin mo para dumaan. That is what we call the obstacle bend. Okay? Obstacle bend. Okay? Okay. So, ang cutting in a shorter length, hindi mo kasi nakaspecify yung cutting in a shorter length. Or, ibig sabihin yan, magka-cut ka lang. No, that is a mistake. Okay? So, cutting a shorter length, mali yan. Yung the clarification lang, nagkamali ako dito ng pagbigkas ng answer. So, racing, it's either higher or lower level. That is the correct answer. Okay? Tao rin, nagkakamali rin. Okay? So, okay, if you are skilled electrician working on a house wiring installation, and there is a need for you to run a straight wire, so what kind of joint will you use? Okay. So tingin nyo ano yung what kind of joint? Okay, house wiring installation. Western Union? Western Union ba? Okay. So, if you are a skilled electrician working on your house and wiring installation, if you need to run the straight wires. So, ibig sabihin run the straight wires, mali na yung rat tail kasi rat tail is ganito. Parang ganito. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya tugma sa tinatawag na running the straight wires. So, meaning to say, ano yung tamang sagot? Hmm? Aerial tap, yung aerial tap pa ganito. Ibig sabihin, mali rin. So, kung eliminate mo muna yung maling sagot, mali na yung aerial tap, mali na. It's either duplex. Yung duplex kasi, pa-cross. So, automatic kung cross siya, by the name itself, mali rin. So, Western Union, short type, yung tama sagot. Sir Randy, Ma'am Alfred Sarabia, tama. Okay. And dalawa kayo, tama yung sagot nyo. Kasi, you have to critical thinkers din sa pagbasa ng mga question. Okay? So that makuha mo yung tamang sagot. Okay? So Western Union, ito yung itsura ng Western Union. Okay? Kasi ang tanong dito kasi kanina is running the straight wire. Kung isipin mo yung cross joint, hindi yan na straight wire because cross na nga. Rat tail is pa itaas. So aerial tap is hindi rin. Okay? Mali. Aerial tap, ito yung itsura ng aerial tap, oh. Okay? Double cross, hindi rin. Hindi running the straight wire eh. Mali. Okay, rat tail. Pag tinanong sa boards, ano ba yung paggamit ng rat tail? Most commonly used in a junction box, rat tail. Okay? Pero running the straight wires, Western Union. Okay. 3 incandescent bulb having a resistance of 2 ohms, 4 ohms, and 6 ohms, respectively connected in series. So, how much the resistance in the 3 bulbs? Sir, po ako from Sibugay, Zamboanga. Malayo pa, no? Sibugay, Zamboanga. Saan ba yan malapit? Sa Mindanao? Sibugay, Zamboanga. Okay. 3 incandescent bulb having the resistance of 2 ohms and 4 ohms and 6 ohms. So, connected in series, how much is the total resistance of the 3 bulbs? So, 0.92. Paano ba ang resistance in series? I-add lang ba? I-multiply? Is 1 over divided by 1 over R1, 1 over R2, 1 over R3? Watching sir from Bukid. Joshua, saang lugar po? Saan lugar ka po, Sir Joshua? 246 plus, i-plus mo lang naman yan. Okay, so kung series, 3 resistors, okay, so 246, add mo na lang yan, 12. So 12 ohms. Pero kapag tinanong, 3 series in parallel, ang formula niyan is 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. So magkakaroon ka ng medyo complicated na formula. Pero kaya niyang isolve. Okay, lumalabas sa board exam. Okay? So, ngayon, letter B. Bakit letter B? Okay, so C. Hindi pwedeng i-divide yung 2, 4, 6. No. Just add. If the series yung connection, just add nyo lang. Okay. Okay, ito yung formula for R1 and R2. If you are answering class, you have to state muna ng given. Kasi maraming time it takes, hi sir, watching from Northern Samar. Sana all Northern Samar. Okay, malayo pala yung Northern Samar. Pero yung Northern Samar is sa Visayas ba or sa Mindanao? Hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman geographic location yung Hindi ko naman alam yung geographic location ng Pilipinas. Northern Samar, saan ba yung Northern Samar? Sa Visayas or Mindanao? Sa Visayas or sa Mindanao? Okay. So, R1 plus R2, nag-guess nyo rin kapag na-explain ko dito na nakita nyo na rin. Okay. So, how much is the current consumed for a bulb of having resistance of 12 ohms if it has a voltage of 12 volts? So, I'm watching, sir, from Prototan, Iloilo, Saragossa, Kenneth. Saan ka ba nagsuschool, sir? Baka makita kita sa Good evening, Ma'am Rosa Levy Inderio. Good evening. Okay. Tingnan nyo, what is the correct answer? So, E divided by I. E equals to I times R. So, ang formula ng resistance is, ano yung formula ng resistance? What do you think yung formula ng resistance? Okay. Sorry medyo maingay kasi wala pa tayong pambili ng sariling bahay natin. Okay. Sir, binubura mo ba yung mga live vids mo? Depende. Okay, depende. Kasi ito naman kasi binubura ko minsan kasi yung mga review center, ano yung mga scammer ba class? Dina-download yung mga videos tapos pineperahan yung ano, yung example. Halimbawa yung mga video namin si Sir Dex, ni Sir Chan, ni Sir dina-download nila ni Sir Jeff. Dina-download nila yung mga video from Mati City. Okay, good evening. Dina-download nila kasi merong class merong isang nabalita nung nakaraan no dina-download yung mga videos. Wag niyo kasi hindi niyo private property. Okay? Kapag hindi yung property sa inyo, wag niyo i-download. Yung mga lecturer class is nahirapan yan mag-discuss, mag-spend time ng mga lectures. Ito, yung diskarte nyo is pa simple lang, nag-download, pera, ganun. That is not hard-earned money. Okay? Or from the word sweat. Okay? Hindi yan maganda. Okay, so 12 volts. Okay, so volts, 24 divided by 12. So how much is the current? So voltage, una muna sa voltage is E. And yung 12 ohms is divided by muna is 24 divided by 12 is equals to, ito si Ma'am Lion G is almost 2 years nag-review sa SPLE. Sumasubaybay sa akin. So, is a licensed professional teacher. Nung nakaraan pumasa siya sa SPLE. And minsan nagchat-chat so lagi nagre-review to. So good evening from Iloilo. So tandaan nyo, yung voltage, yung resistance pala, R is equals to E divided by I. Okay? So, sorry, how much is the current? Sorry. Current I is equals to E divided by resistance. How much is the current? I is divided by E divided by R. So, 24 divided by 12 is equals to 2. Okay? Tama yan, sir, intellectual property rights. Yes, si Sir Ace is magaling na lecturer ito. Magaling na lecturer ito sa Sir Ace. Okay, so tama yung sagot ni Sir Ace, 2 amps. Okay? So, tandaan niyo yung formula. I is equals to E divided by R. Yung resistance is I. Minsan nagkakamali rin ako sa pagbabanggit ko sa live, sorry. Intindihin nyo na lang kasi mabilis ako magsalita. And dati kasi akong rapper eh. Kasama ko si Flo G. Okay, so tama ito sagot ni Sir. I equals to V divided by R 2 amps. Question, clarification. Inuulit-ulit ko class. Ito pa, yung technique to have a high rating is, alam nyo ba yung Pomodoro technique? Okay, aral ka ng 30 minutes. Okay, halimbawa yung pinag-aralan mo is Bloom's taxonomy, aralan mo ng 30 minutes. Okay, and then break time, laro ka ng ML or something games. Do you know, nung nakarami top notcher na mahilig sa games? Si Sir, magaling sa games. Si Sir, idol ko rin to eh. Ay, isa yung babae, yung nag-viral. And isa naman si Sir Prince. Ito yung isa sa mga magaling sa Proped and Gen Ed, magaling sa mga technique. Mahilig sa games and rank 1, dual top notcher si Sir Prince. Okay, so 2 amperes yung tama sagot dito. Okay. Ako, just kahit manood kayo, kahit saan kayo manood, basta pumasa kayo sa board exam, yun lang ang happiness ko doon. Okay? Okay, what type of electric circuit is used with a Christmas light? Meron tayong tinatawag na parallel and CS connection. Yung parallel is kapag pinatay mo yung isang circuit, gagana pa yung iba. Yung series naman, kapag pinatay mo yung isang circuit, the rest will affected. Pag tinanong ito sa board exam, okay, one line is affected ang one line is affected kung parallel connection, ang isagot mo doon is the rest will not affected. Kapag naman tinanong sa board exam, the line, okay, is cut, okay, series connection, when yung line 1 is cut, okay, the rest will affected because connected pa yung ibang connection doon sa tinatawag na sa series connection. Okay? Kung kapag parallel, different naman yon. Okay, so what do you think will be the Christmas lights? Series, parallel, series parallel, o octopus circuit? Eh, yung octopus circuit is maling gawi yan, okay? So, ibig sabihin niya ng octopus circuit, yung, halimbawa dito, is yung sinaksak mo ng saksakan, nilagyan mo pa ng extension, extension, another extension, extension, extension. So, tendency, magkakaroon ng short circuit or hindi kasi akma. Okay? Extension is not good in sa bahay because dapat meron kayong specific na na tinatawag na plug. Okay? Kaya nga may design na tinatawag na for plug na na outlet. So meron kapag tinanong sa boards ilan yung amperes ng outlet, 20 amperes. Okay? Okay, ito drill. 18 series Christmas light. Okay? 16 FDAS, 14 minimum requirement by Philippine Electrical Code, 12 14 again is lighting receptacle outlets, 12 convenience outlet, 10 service entrance, and 8 is heavily industrialized motor. So ganun, kabilis. Okay? Tapos na yung yung mga drills. Ganun lang. 18 series Christmas light, 16 FDAS, 14 minimum requirement by Philippine Electrical Code, 14 lighting receptacle outlets, 12 convenience outlet, 10 heavily industrialized motor. Okay. So pamalakihan na yung 8. Okay? So ang tamang sagot dito is letter D, series circuit. Okay. Although na may mga series in parallel, okay? Although na meron tayong mga series parallel circuit, okay? Pero yung nakalagay sa libro class, ng mga most usual na nakalibro na nakalagay, naka-series circuit talaga yung naka-series circuit yung yung tinatawag na Christmas lights. Later on na lang nauso yung tinatawag na naka-series parallel ng mga Christmas light because meron tayong tinatawag na development. Yung development na yan is ginagawa yan sa mga products. Lahat ng technologies merong development. So, tandaan nyo, kung walang development ang product, wala siyang improvement. Okay? Okay. Skip muna natin yung question na to kasi medyo mahirap ito. Okay. So, what is the source of electricity produced by rotating the motion of machine called generator? Ano yung tinatawag na generator? So ilang buwan ko class sa ilang buwan ko na papahinga ng pagle-lecture, I think nawawala na yung concept ko na pag-aralan yung mga iba't ibang klase ng discussion. Like for example, hindi ko na alam yung mga concept sa TLE, sa foods, sa iba't ibang concept about electricity. Basta hindi ko na maalam yung iba't ibang concept kasi I'm very busy kasi. So, hopefully maalala ko pa yung I think we'll be discussing the final drill sa later on. Later on after siguro ng mga September. September 21 ba yung board exam nyo? Tama ba? September 21 ba yung final exam? If hindi ako nagkakamali. Correct me if I'm wrong. Parang Okay. 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 So, what is the source of electricity produced? Letter D, letter D. Letter D ba? Chemical? Chemical ba? Chemical? Chemical? Chemical is I think battery will be a chemical. Meron tanong sa Gen Ed na about the battery. Kinetic or potential. Pero I don't want to discuss it during our time kasi alam ko yung tinanong dun sa amin eh. Okay, what source of electricity produced? A, mechanical. Photoelectric is hindi siya by the light. Hindi. Kasi machine generator eh. Thermal naman, init. Automatic mali na rin. Okay? So, tamang sagot is letter A. So, letter A, Sir Alfred, Sir Randy, Sir Zaragoza, Gentlin, and Ma'am Jade Sumawang is tama yung sagot nyo. Okay? Generator. Okay? Photoelectric naman is sa solar principle. Yung Blue na yan, class, is what we call the solar panel. Yung setup naman na setup na tawag doon na tawag sa system ng solar, or sorry, sa setup ng solar or tinatawag na system is, ang tawag diyan is photovoltaic system, okay? Or PV. Pwede mo ilagay yung PV, okay? Photovoltaic system. Sir, may AFA ka po na lecture. Meron sana akong AFA lecture sa private group ko. Pero I don't think na gusto niyo bang sumali sa private group ko doon? Kaso yung private group ko is 30 na lang kami doon. Hindi na kasi ako nag-accept doon ng ng followers because medyo palakalaka na yung lecture. Pinifree ko na lang sa iba yung lecture ko doon. Okay? Just to help other students. Okay, thermal naman is yung init. Init na produce pag heat is thermal. Okay, and geothermal naman is under yan sa extract pressure under the earth's surface. Okay, chemical sa battery. Okay, so which battery is the common supplier of electricity is the most transistorized of the radio? Na Okay. So which cell is the common supplier of electricity to the most transistorized radio? Which of the cell battery is common supplier of electricity to the most transistorized radio? Uh, Meron ba kayong ano man tawag dito? Meron ba kayong feeling na lalabas pa yung TM? So, I think TM will be TM trainer's methodology will be hindi na mawawala yan sa board exam because foundation niya ng TLE yung TM. So ngayon, if you are doubting yourself, okay, ano po yung silbi ng pag-file mo sa PRC? Okay, so kapag alam mo naman na sigurado na papasa ka, binigay mo yung best mo, so nothing to worry about sa board exam. Okay. Randy A. Source. Which of the cell is the common supplier of electricity in the most transistorized radio? Load, source, control, or path? Okay. Which of the cell is the common supplier of the electricity in the most transistorized radio? Source, load. Letter A. Tama ba? Letter A? Okay. Cell battery is a source of energy or electricity. Ngayon, pag tinanong class, meron tayong dalawang klase ng source, is AC or DC. When you say AC class, alternating current, pag tinanong nyo sa board exam, ano isagot mo? Ang tanong dyan is, AC is multiple paths. Okay? DC naman is direct current, meaning to say, single path. Kapag walang AC or alternating current, sinusoidal wave or AC, isagot mo sa board exam. Klaro? Okay? So, ganun yung mga shortcut na dapat naintindihan mo. Okay? So, source is it provides the electrical energy. Ang load naman, yan yung nagko-consume. Yung control naman, yun yung parang switch. Okay? On and off. Yung path naman is yung daanan, yung mga wire or conductors. So, hindi ibig sabihin yan, magkakaparehos yung source, load, control, and path. Sorry, medyo mabilis ako mag-discuss kasi hindi pa ako nakakapaghapunan kasi. Okay? Okay, so source is energy. Okay, yung electricity. Load is yung sumasalo ng energy. Yung control naman, yung nagre-regulate ng on and off. And yung path naman is the wire and conductors. Okay? So, ganun. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so electrical charges moves easily through a path called conductors. The ability of conductor to permit the flow is designated as blank. Okay, electrical charges move easily through the paths called conductors. So the ability of conductor to permit the flow of current is what we call the 'Di ba yung insulator is hindi dumadaan yung tinatawag na ano na current. Yung conductor naman is dumadaan yun yung tinatawag na kuryente. Okay, meaning to say, ano sa tingin nyo, ang ability of conductor, ang tawag dyan sa permit to the flow is designated as what we call blank. Okay, so what do you think? B? B ba? Okay? So, tama sagot dito is conductance. Okay, parang isipin mo na lang yung conductance is conductor. Si ability to flow the permit of current, conductor, and conductance, something related. So, parang you have to, number one, when you are answering the board, you have to, meron tayong tinatawag na concept mapping. Kung hindi ka marunong conceptualize ng mga questions sa mga medyo mahihirapan ka. And also, you have to read a lot of English words. Okay? Pero, number one class, if you are kasi, ano, very, very reminder ko lang talaga class, na yung board exam class, kahit sabihin mo naman na, na yung board exam is, kahit sabihin mo yung board exam is, is, okay lang naman mag-take ka ng another time, another day. Pero, class, kung nag-file ka ng and meron kang desire na pumasa or maging licensed professional teacher, ibuhos mo na ng lahat. Wag mo nang ipigilan yung pagre-review mo. Skip mo na yung baby time. Just focus sa board exam kasi board exam is very important. Number one, to become a public school teacher, you have to become a licensed professional teacher muna. And wag kayong muna mag-asawa is very kahit ako nga, hindi pa ako ready if mag-asawa kasi I feel na I can't carry because marami yung taas ng bilihin, 12.1 pa yung taxes inflation sa Pilipinas and dadagdag ka pa sa sa consumption. Dadagdag ka pa sa another burden to yourself. Parang gano'n. Pero anyways, kapag yung napangasawa mo naman is may-ari ng ng Ayala or mga SM, so sigurado talaga ako na ah, paldo talaga. Pero anyways, joke ko lang 'yon pero just to be serious sa board exam. Yun lang naman yung ibig sabihin ko doon eh. Okay, so conductance. Letter C. Okay. So electrical pressure naman yung term for the voltage not related to the is. Yung resistance naman as what I've said opposes the current of the flow. Yung conductance naman yung permits the flow of the current. Okay? So refers to the actual of the following not to the material's ability to Okay? Refers to the actual of the current flowing. Yung ibig sabihin ng applied current is yun yung tinatawag na current or amperes rin. Okay. Sir, wala ka pang pangasawa. No. Okay. Okay, sorry. Wala pa. Oh, sorry. What electricity produced by heating two conducting materials? Okay, current electricity, static, photoelectricity. Yung difference between photo and static. Sorry. Static and dynamic. Yung static is iisa lang sa place. When you say isa lang place yung movement ng electricity niyan. When you say dynamic naman, dynamic electricity, ang dynamic electricity kasi is nagkakaroon ng movement. So kapag movement, itinawag doon is dynamic. Kapag single movement, static. Okay, photoelectricity, mabilong ito sa solar, sa automatic mali. Current electricity, mali rin. So, tama sagot dito is thermoelectricity. Okay. Basta init, thermoelectricity. Okay, from the word geothermal, thermoelectricity rin. Okay? Letter C. Okay. The unit of electrical power is the blank of the kilowatt. And in order for electricity to function, we must have the sufficient voltage or pressure of the amperes or current. So, how are you going to translate in this word? So, ano yung formula ng tinatawag na Watts formula or the power formula? Okay, sa tingin nyo, what do you think? What do you think? Shout out pala sa no sa 70 viewers. Okay, o sa 46 viewers na 46 viewers na lang. You know, you know, if you're not to be serious sa board exam nyo, class, number one, class, if you are not serious sa board exam, mahirapan ka talaga, class. Ito, a friendly reminder lang na when you are taking board examination, just to be serious. Lagi ko sinasabi, ano, as what I've said, ang sinasabi kong lagi sa inyo, ang sinasabi ni Thorndike doon na law of practice states that if you are okay, pinapractice mo lagi, pinapadrill mo, that is highest chance to remember yung ginagawa mo. As what I've said, Edgar Dale din, yung by doing is 90%. Kaya nga, if meron akong discussion class, just to participate, yung mga drills na yan. Kasi, ako yung class is, ginagawa ko si Sir Melvin, Sir Dex, nanonood ako sa live videos ng mga free lives, and pinapanood ko doon mga lahat ng drills niya. Type ako ng mga answer, A, ganon, B, parang ganon is because if hindi mo talaga take serious yung let, bahala kayo dyan. It will be take a lot of time. Okay? Okay, letter C. So, watts is equals to voltage times amperes, okay, or WEI. Tama ba? Letter C, letter C, letter C, letter A. Merong letter A dito. Sorry, medyo ako mabilis kasi dati akong rapper. Kasama ko si Flo G at si Skastakli. Okay, at si Glock 9. Chari Zapra, letter Z, letter Z, letter C, letter C. Tama ba? Okay. Very good. Okay, very good. So, ang P na yan, that stands for the power. And I naman is the current and E naman is for the resistance. So, meron tayong formula doon. Sa private group ko diniscuss doon yung tinatawag na Ohm's Watt's law formula, yung tinatawag na pi, Peter, and Piter. Discuss ko yung iba't ibang klase doon, yung pi, Peter, and Piter. Okay, pero dito is simple and basic lang muna. Tinatawag dito is Watt's law lang eh. So, the size of the protection is determined to the total of the circuit. Okay. The voltage which is given the formula of I. Okay. P divided by V. What is the current if the total power of the circuit is 8,800 and the voltage is 2,000? 220. So, ibig sabihin yan, paano yung formula? So, ang hinahanap dito is ano? Amperes. So, ang power, nahanap na dito yung formula. Okay, P and V. Okay. Letter C, letter C, letter C, P and V. So, current yung hinahanap dito or amperes. Ang discover ng amperes si Andre Marie Ampere. Yung discover ng voltage si Alessandro Volta. Ang discover ng resistance is si George Simon Ohms. Okay, kapag walang ganito, Ohms, kapag ganitong symbol, omega, hanapin nyo rin pwede nyo isagot yung tinatawag na na omega sa symbol. Lumalabas siya sa let. Okay. Letter C, letter C, letter C. So, 8,080 divided by 220. Try to calculate mo na. 880. 880 divide 220. So, ang tamang sagot dito is 40 amperes. 40 amperes. Okay. So, 40 amperes ang tama. Sir Herbert, Bucazolina, good evening. Okay. Which statement is true except what? Ano sa tingin yung statement yung mali dito? Mali. Ito, minsan madadali ka rin yun sa sa mga questions sa boards. Especially yung mga question except, not, which of the following is included. Medyo mahihirapan ka doon. Okay. Ang sarap pala matulog, no? Kapag na kasama mo yung dream bike mo, no? Anyways, ang ganda pala ang ganda sa pakiramdam. Hindi, joke lang. Ganda, no? Tulog ka doon, tapos kasama mo yung bike mo, tapos inisip mo siya, inisip mo yung review. Nicole Faith Lucero, letter C, 40. Bakit participate yun? Maraming viewers kaso, hindi kayo nagpa-participate. yung time ko, ire-record ko sana ng grades, pero nilaan ko pa ng oras ko para sa inyo. Ah, bakit hindi kayo nag-a-answer? Okay, letter B, letter C? Ano ba yung tamang sagot dito? So kung sa Iloilo kayo, sir, meron ka pang drill sa foods? I think dito na ako siguro mag-uumpisa ng ng mga discussion sa mga short videos. Hindi know. Sigurado na ito. Sigurado ba? Letter B, letter D, letter A. Maraming iba't ibang klaseng variation ng cancer. A, B, A, B, C, D. Parang A, B, C, D. Lahat ng sinagot nyo dito is, ang tamang sagot dito is, okay, letter C. Letter C. Okay? So, a smaller wire is cross-sectional to the area, has more resistance. Meaning to say, kapag smaller yung wire, maganda yung at mataas yung resistance. Pero the bigger the wire, okay? The bigger the wire, depende rin. Medyo mahaba yung explanation dito, pero skip lang muna natin to. Okay, letter C. Okay. So, what protective device automatically trips off when the abnormal condition the circuits occurs when the overload or short circuit? A, B, C, and D. Sorry. What protective device is automatically trips off when the abnormal condition? Pag tinanong nyo sa boards, automatically trips off, ganito. Kapag cuts and blows, fuse. 17. What do you think is the correct answer? Shout out sa iba. Bakit hindi kayo nag-answer? I take time class kasi I just spend my time to discuss. Para sa inyo, kahit gusto ko mag-solve or compute ng grades ko sa mga student ko, ginagawa ko pa rin sa inyo. Baka kayo mag-answer naman. Please. Malapit na yung board exam nyo, class, oh. You have to focus. Circuit breaker. Pag tinanong sa board exam, automatically trips off, circuit breaker, cuts and blows, fuse. Okay. Ganon. Circuit breaker yung Meron ba kayong final coaching, sir? I think meron sa akin sa private group ko. Sa private group ko na na member. Kasi tinigil ko yung private group ko kasi medyo busy ako, hindi na ako nakakapag-discuss. Okay? So, circuit breaker. Switch is control. Okay? Mayroon. Circuit breakers automatically trips off kapag, ito yung kasing rule ng circuit breaker. Kapag halimbawa short circuit, yung breaker is automatically trips off. Okay? Number one reminder, kapag nagpapatayo kayo ng bahay, I'm an electrical major kasi class. Number one, if yung bahay, yung circuit nyo is, hindi naman kasi isasaksak ng sabay-sabay yung kuryente. So, dapat yung breaker mo is maliit yung size of ang amperes niya in order to mag-trip off agad. Kasi once na higher yung tinatawag na amperage ng tinatawag na breaker mo, baka hindi siya mag-trip off or baka hintayin yung maximum load, iinit yung wire or masusunog yung wire. So, mas better na yung breaker mo is maliit yung tinatawag na amperage niya. Halimbawa, yung total consumption mo is 12 amperes lang naman, tapos lagay ka ng at least 15. Okay? Total consumption mo 20. Lagay ka ng pero hindi naman pwedeng isabay mo lahat-lahat ng sinasaksak. Pwede naman pwede doon. Okay? So, at least maliit yung breaker. And ito pa yung mga technique ko class, oh. Number one, if you are building a house, huwag kayong maglalagay ng CPC or corrugated plastic conduit na ilalagay mo sa semento. No. It's a PVC or polyvinyl chloride ang ilalagay mo doon instead of a CPC. Kasi yung CPC, kapag hinunos mo yung wire, tendency is maging brittle. Okay? Or parang mayuyupi. PVC, mura lang naman yung difference. Bahan nyo na yan eh. Kasi kapag matipid pa kayo, ewan ko na lang. Okay? Yung parang orange ba na plastic na parang may cut-cut na sa kilid, huwag nyo gamitin yon for sa ibabaw lang yon. Okay? Hi. Hi. Ayan na, say hi. Ito na. Hi. May klase ka dito. May klase dito. Kisa na ba? Kisa na ba? Kisa na dito. Love you. May klase ko. May klase po. Bago ang bukali. Kisa na yung may klase dito. Love you. Okay. Okay, so question clarification. Fuse automatically cuts and blows. Ang difference kasi ng fuse, once na yung fuse is mag-short circuit, automatic itapon mo na yung fuse. That is the difference. Ito, pag tinanong sa boards, kapag sinaksak mo yung TV na 110 sa 220, ano yung unang masisira? Ang isagot mo doon is fuse. Fuse, fuse, fuse. Okay. The law of George Simon in electricity can be stated as follows. So, ano ba yung sinasabi ng tinatawag ni George Simon? Okay? So, voltage is equals to E equals to amperes times resistance. So, tama ba yan? Letter A, B, C, or D? Or resistance is equals to voltage divided E times ampere. Tama ba? Or none of the options? Voltage is equals to ampere, okay, I times resistance. Tama ba yung letter A or letter D? Or none of the options? Pamangkin ko yung guys. Okay. A. Tama yung sagot nyo, letter A? Tama ba? Tama. A ba? Okay, very good. Letter A. What is the Japanese? Okay, Japanese. Ito, lumalabas ito sa LED. Okay, ano yung 5S? Okay. Ano ba yung 5S? Ito yung lumabas. What is the first step in the 5S? Seiri. Okay. Highest and the standard form is Shitsuki. Okay. So, Grace Aranyo Solis, A, Shitsu, which of the following is Seiri, Seiton, Seiketsu, Seiri, Reiton Suzuki. Letter A ba? 19? Letter A ba? 19A? 18A? Tama ba? Letter C. Let me see, Rayton Suzuki. Yun yung mnemonics dyan para madaling intindihan. Rayton Suzuki. Okay. Rayton Suzuki. Letter C. Okay. Letter C. So, 5S. Okay. Sort. Okay. Ayusin mo muna. Very first step, pag tinanong sa board exam, the first step, Seiri. Okay. Systematize, okay, identify the location and quantity of items stored in a retrieval return with orderly. So, meron kang systematize, meron kang, parang ano bang systematize? Parang, merong arrangement. Okay? Yung shine naman is sweep yan. Yun yung paggamit sa boards. Okay? Yung standardized, meron kang set of rules, and Shitsuki is, ang paggamit niyan is, yun yung yung highest form. Okay, Shitsuki. Okay? Okay, the NPN of the transistor at the base of the bias is equal to blank. A, B, C, or D? Rayton Suzuki. Tama, Sir Helbert. Okay. So, meron kayong questions, clarifications? Wala ba? Nakakamiss rin, no? Mag-lecture, no? Minsan kasi, pag-uwi ko na ng bahay, marami akong ginagawa sa school, eh. Minsan, I'm an electrical major class, pero yung tinuturo ko is plumbing. Minsan, gumagawa rin ako ng cabinet. Lahat ng repairs yung nasa low class doon. Kasi, nag-enjoy naman ako doon sa ginagawa ko. I think, if you are not enjoying when you are teaching, medyo mahihirapan ka, class. Kasi, and also, part of din ng nahihirapan ako is siguro, I think the absences ng mga bata. Pero not totally, class, na yung bata is sabihin natin na hindi natin bigyan ng chance because feeling ko na lost na yung mga bata ngayon because they are hindi sila na nag-uusap ng maayos ng mga parents, parang gano'n. Usually yun yung mga problem na, tinatanong ko sa mga students kung ano ba yung problem, bakit ka ganyan, ganito, ganyan. So, instead of, sabihan niyo ng ano, ng foul words, minsan sinabi niyo mga hindi magandang salita sa mga students niyo, sabihan niyo na lang ano, about advices, anong gagawin mo. Okay, so they are feel ano, makikinig rin yung mga students mo minsan. Okay? So letter B, tama ba yung sagot na letter B? Hmm? Okay, letter D. Okay. So questions, clarifications before we end the discussion. Okay. So if meron kayong tanong or clarification sa akin, okay, just message my Facebook account. Hindi ka na kasi ako active sa ano eh. I will try to reach out kapag hindi na kasi masyadong active si sir nyo. Sir, how to join? Nung nakaraan kasi, sige. Wait. Ito na lang, kasi naawa ko sa mga students, okay? So, if you want to join, just message my Facebook account, okay? Sige na lang. I will give a discount na lang sa mga students. So, 150 na lang siguro. Okay? So, sige, if you want to join, just message my Facebook account. Sir, para may ganito, sir, may ganito pong drill for free. Actually, class, hindi nga ito pang free na drills kasi ito is pang lecture talaga. Okay, so kung gusto niyo mag-join, okay, just message me. Pero yung na-discuss ko na sa nakaraan is marami na eh. So almost discussing 10 lectures na siguro doon. Okay. So merong if gusto nyo, okay. Sige, just message niyo lang kung gusto niyo mong sumali. I will give mura lang. 150, okay? So, hindi naman siguro kayo lugi doon. Okay, so just message na lang kung gusto niyo sumali. Okay, sir, mayroon po naman GC. Yes. Okay. Pero as of now, tomorrow I will be discussing sa home economics and other subjects sa ICT. Sir, gusto ko ma-join. Okay, message mo na ako sa GCash lang, GCash nyo lang i-send. Okay? So, meron kayong questions, clarification before the end of the discussion? Meron ba? Meron kayong questions, clarifications before the end of the discussion? Maganda na sana mag hapunan. Meron ba kayong question? Last na lang. Questions, clarification before the end of the discussion? Okay, wala ba? So goodbye and thank you, class, if you want to join. Okay? If gusto niyo lang sumali, just message me. Okay? And, Ermelo. Ito po. Wait lang. Para hindi naman kayo dun. Kasi na-discuss ko na nakaraan na iba. Ito na lang. Sige. Wala na bang question? Unan muna ako kasi gagawa ko ng grades. Medyo masakit yung ulo ko for the past answer pala sa last question. So, answer sa last question is 0.6 volts. So, NPN, ito pang puti sa board exam, NPN, naputokan na, ibig sabihin negative, positive, negative. Ibig sabihin naputok na outward yung numbers. Okay, outward yung emitter, sorry. Meron kasing tatlong klase sa NPN, collector, base, and emitter. Okay? So, meron kayong questions, clarifications? Wala ba? Gusto ko sana merong tanong. Wawa naman kayo. Last na ng question. Okay. Huwag kayong mag-message ka na, Sir, ah, makapangapunan ka na ba? Or kaya hapon ka na ba? Okay, so goodbye and thank you, class. See you next time. I will be, anong day ba ngayon? Siguro a few weeks, we'll be discussing. Goodbye and thank you. Ano pala, okay. Sa sa Iloilo or sa meron sa taga Iloilo, okay, just message me, okay, call or something gusto niyo mag-lecture, kasama ko, just message me. Basta na sabihan niyo ko in advance kasi during our time kasi I cannot hold my schedule. So anyways, usually mga Sunday siguro, pili lang yung time ko na available ako. Okay? So, question clarification if none, we'll end the live. Maraming salamat. If taga Iloilo ka, just message me. Okay? Thank you, class, and goodbye.